Thanks to this, my mother has perfect skin, no wrinkles. It looks like he's 30 years old. People do everything they can to be beautiful, especially women. But the passage of the years does not forgive anyone except the person who has made a pact with the devil. The truth is that the skin begins to deteriorate and there is no turning back, wrinkles, skin more flaccid, and so on. There are countless creams on the market, which are very expensive indeed. However, the history of humanity shows us that nature is our best ally. To this day, home remedies are known for the skin that are wonderful. Did you know that vanilla oil can be used to delay the aging of your skin? I did not know it until my colleague told me. Many celebrities use vanilla oil to delay the aging of their complexion. Just look how beautiful these are. In this video we are going to talk about vanilla oil. You will see. How can you apply vanilla oil on the face to eliminate wrinkles and delay the aging of your complexion? 1. Put vanilla oil on the face, on the lips and under the eyes, to prevent premature wrinkles. 2. Because vanilla oil will moisturize your skin, it is very positive for wrinkles. Prevents wrinkles by creating a protective layer on the skin and traps moisture. It maintains the skin with much hydration and elasticity. Taking advantage that you already know this trick, every night you must clean your skin very well with water and special soap for complexion. Then apply vanilla oil on your face, under the eyes and on the lips, and you can even apply it on the lashes and eyebrows to promote hair growth in these areas.